First up, we have Hero L's Space Invaders. Apparently this is the real Space Invaders, unlike all of those imitators that we've been playing up to this point. I really love this charge effect that he has going on. That is so cool. We hold down the mouse pointer and it charges up a shot. Charge for pew! Oh, that was so cool. Giovanni Z has this alien platformer. Let's check it out in all of its glory. Space. The coolest thing about this is there's actually little hidden areas of the levels. Check this out. We can actually go down here and make our way down to a secret area of the level. And I've gotten to a whole new section of the game that nobody else has ever found because they are not as good of a gamer as I am. This is so cool, Giovanni. I love this. Awesome take on this idea. I love backtracking and finding hidden levels. Awesome job. Charlotte has this amazing alchemy project. So first 4 items are earth, fire, water, air. Get creative. What is your first item that you want to use in your mix? I want to use earth. What is the second item you want to add in your mix? I want to use water. I've made mud. What is the first? Wait, earth and water make mud? That can't be real. I need to test this. Charlotte, I think you're lying. Welcome to my lab, and totally not my kid's sandbox. After extensive research, I have gathered earth and water. Actually, after consulting the most sophisticated AI I could pay for, and it was expensive. Sorry, Teacher Michael, health insurance is gonna have to wait another year. I've actually discovered that earth is just dirt. So I've gathered some dirt and some water, and I'm gonna follow Charlotte's AI instructions and combine earth and water and see if it really does make mud in my high-tech lab. All right, Charlotte, let's see if you're right. It's mud. Oh, it's mud. Charlotte's a genius.